Hello, this video should help you to use the Immersive Reader in a Word document. Immersive Reader is a great function because it reads the document to you. So we'll follow the steps that are in this document. When you're in a Word document, as we are, you're going to tap in the View menu. Tapping in the View menu brings down a drop-down menu and you slide Immersive Reader across until it turns green. So this changes the view that you see, and across this menu you've got various options for this view before it starts reading. Change the column width, change the page colour, change the text spacing. Now set your document up how you would like to look at it. So I would like a narrow columns, I would like a white page, in fact actually I like that sepia, and I would like the text spacing to be back to normal. You can set it up as you prefer it. The next thing to do is tap on Read Aloud. We tap Read Aloud and this will start, in fact we're going to tap where you want the document to start reading. So what I've done is I've just moved the cursor here and now I'm going to tap on Read Aloud.
This document will help you to use the Immersive Reader in Word doc.
So you'll see down here a little pop-up menu with the controls has appeared, and that reading was quite slow. So we'll change the settings, tap on here and move to make it a little bit quicker. Now I'm going to go back to the start. So I've just moved the cursor back up there, back to the control menu. I'm going to press play.
This document will help you to use the Immersive Reader in.
Again, if you want to speed it up a bit, slide this along.
Documents. Immersive Reader is very handy as it reads the document to you. Follow these steps.
Or even faster.
When you are in a Word document, tap on View in the top menu.
No, that's probably a bit too fast. So we'll go back, I think about there was about right. And you go back.
Full stop. Slide the Immersive Reader button across to see green.
Okay, so you like the document. I would suggest that you pause and play each time at the end of each sentence. So pause and then let it carry on so that you can read along with it. When you've finished, we'll go back up to the top. We're going to close the Immersive Reader and it changes it back to a Word document.